After a long time we will meet again. Actually I am on the leave, so we will be meet for the 4 days. Now we are starting chapter number 7, conversion, that you already learned some of the topics from that. So this is only video for the quick revision जो आपने पहले ऑलरेडी सीख लिया है कन्वर्जन में चैप्टर नंबर 7 में, वही आज हमें थोड़ा रिवीजन करना है ताकि आपको प्रीवियसली सब कुछ याद आ जाए. So first we are learning the chapter number 7, conversion. In that, first we are learning the conversion of length. First conversion is the length. Length have 3 units: centimeter, meter and the kilometer. Kilometer is the largest unit and centimeter is the smallest unit. Then we are learning the conversion of the smaller unit to the larger. In that, first we are learning the conversion of centimeter to meter. To convert this one, we are using 1 meter equals to 100 centimeter. Whenever you are converting any centimeter number to the meter, then you have to be meter to the centimeter. Whenever you are converting meter number to the centimeter, you have to just add 2 zeros or multiply by 100. First conversion. Second conversion is kilometer to meter. For that we are using 1 kilometer equals to 1000 meter. Means whenever you are converting the kilometer number to the meter, then you have to be multiply that number by the 1000, or you can directly add 3 zeros after the end of the number. Then we are learn the second conversion, larger to smaller. In the smaller to larger we are doing a multiplication, and in the larger to smaller conversion we are doing a division. मीन्स जिस तरह से हमने 100 से मल्टीप्लाई किया, 1000 से मल्टीप्लाई किया, वैसे ही हमने उसको डिवाइड किया. 100 से डिवाइड, 1000 से डिवाइड. आई विल ऑल्सो शो द एग्जाम्पल्स ऑफ देम. Okay, first larger to smaller we are doing a division. First conversion is centimeter to meter and second conversion is meter to kilometer, right? Then we are doing the operations with the length units. First is the addition, second is the subtraction. In addition we are only add the same units number. हम same unit के number addition and subtraction both. अगर वो same division for example दोनों number किलोमीटर के हैं, then we are adding together. If both are different, then we have to convert them and then we have to do the addition or the subtraction. So I will show the examples of all. You don't have to write down any single word from this video because you already write down all of the thing in the detail. So let's see the example. First we are show the example of the larger to smaller unit conversion. Okay, first we are converting 8 meter to centimeter. So 8 meter means 1 meter equals to 100 centimeter. So 8 meter equals to 8 multiplied by 100 centimeter equals to 800 centimeter. Like that you have to be convert the meter to the centimeter. If there is a 82 meter, then here you have to write down the 82 multiplied by 100, and the answer is the 8200, or you can say 8200. Second example, 6 kilometer 2 meter. 6 kilometer, 2 meter. Now 1 kilometer equals to 1000 meter. So 6 kilometer equals to 6 multiplied by 1000 meter equals to 6000 meter. Third example, 4 kilometer 237 meter 2 meter. So first of all we have to convert the kilometer into the meter, and then we have to add both together. Same example for this also, you can also convert the meter centimeter to the centimeter by addition. So 1 kilometer equals to 1000 meter. So 4 kilometer, I am writing here directly by adding the 3 zeros, 4000 meter. Now we have to add this 237, 4 kilometer 237 meter equals to 4000 plus 237 meter. Answer is 4237 meter. This is a conversion of the larger to the smaller. When smaller to the larger, first example, 230 centimeter to meter. Centimeter is given and we have to convert to the meter. As you know, 1 meter equals to 100 centimeter. So 230 centimeter equals to 230 divided by 100 centimeter. Here we have to do the division. In the previous one, we are doing a multiplication. So we can do like this, 230 by 100. Here quotient means the meter and remainder means the centimeter. So 100 ones are 100, 100 twos are 200, 100 threes are 300. So we are using 100 twos are 200 minus 0, 3, 2 1 is 2, 0. This is the quotient means meter. This is the remainder means the centimeter. So 230 centimeter equals to 2 meter 30 centimeter. Next example, 6038 meter to kilometer. So 1000 meter equals to 1 kilometer. So 6038 meter equals to 6038 and divided by 1000 kilometer. If you want to do the practice, so you can use this one examples in your notebook. That is okay. 6038 by 1000. So 1000 ones are 1000, 1000 twos are 2000, 1000 threes are 3000, 1000 fours are 4000, 1000 fives are 5000, 1000 six are 6000. So 1000 six are 6000. We are not taking the 1000 sevens are, because that will be a 7000. So that will be a larger than this number. So we are doing a subtraction. 8 minus 0, 8, 3 minus 0, 3, 0 minus 0, 0, 6 minus 6, 0. This is the quotient means the kilometer. This is the remainder. Remainder means the meter. So 6038 meter equals to 6 kilometer 38 meter. If you want to put 038, that is also okay, but you can put 38. It looks good. Okay, so simple thing. Then we are doing the operations. Addition operation and subtraction. example, 7 kilometer 236 meter plus 4 kilometer 98 meter. We have to do the addition. For that we have addition symbol. So 7 kilometer, here we have make two boxes of kilometer and the meter. 236, 4 kilometer, 98. Here only two digits, so ones place, tens place and 100 place. So you have to check and then you have to put. You can write down also 0 if you don't want to do any type of mistake. Okay, so starting from the ones place of middle, 6 plus 8, it's a 14, 4, 1 will be carry. 9 plus 1, 10, 10 plus 3, 13, 1 carry, 2 plus 1, 3, 3 plus 0, 3. Then 7 plus 4, it's a 11. So answer is 11 kilometer 334 meter. That's it. Here we done about our length topic. Then we are learning about the weight. Okay. Okay, in the weight have two units we are learning. First is the gram and second is the kilogram. Gram is the smaller unit and the kilogram is the largest unit. Right? So in that we are also doing a conversion. First smaller unit to the larger unit means first we are learning the larger to the smaller is the kilogram. 2 gram, for that we are using 1 kilogram equals to 1000 gram. We are doing a multiplication same as a length, जैसे हमने length में किया था किलोमीटर को मीटर में convert करने के लिए. For example, 8 kilogram equals to how many gram? So what we have to do, 1 kilogram equals to 1000 gram. So 8 kilogram, 8 multiplied by 1000 gram. So it's a 8000 gram. Right? Another example, 5 kilogram, 97 gram. We have to convert this gram. So 5 kilogram equals to, I am adding directly 3 zeros, 5000 gram. And we have to now add 97 grams. So 5 kilogram 97 gram equals to 5000 plus 97. So you can also add vertically 5000 plus 97. There are only two digits, so we have to be write it carefully. 7905. The answer is 5097. First conversion we are done, kilogram to gram, and it's a same like a length. अगर आपको length आ रहा है तो आप easily इसको भी convert कर पाओगे, लेकिन आपको याद करना है कि किस तरह से conversion हो रहा है. 10 gram to kilogram. Same, only we have to do the division with 1000. For example, 2197 ग्राम, इसको हमें कन्वर्ट करना है किलोग्राम में. तो हम क्या करेंगे, सिंपली फर्स्ट वी आर राइटिंग 1000 ग्राम इक्वल्स टू 1 किलोग्राम. सो 2197 ग्राम equals to 2197 divided by 1000 kilogram. So we are doing a division. 2197 by 1000. 1000 twos are 2000. 7910. This is the kilogram and this is the gram. So answer is the 2 kilogram 197 gram. Okay, so we are lastly learn here. हमने लास्ट यहाँ तक सीखा था, राइट? तो आपको यहाँ तक मैंने रिवाइज करवा दिया है. नेक्स्ट हम सीखेंगे, उसके लिए वी आर टेकिंग अ लाइव क्लास ऑन द Zoom on Saturday. So we are learning the next topic on the next class on the Zoom. That will be a Saturday. So I am writing the last unit conversion, first length, जो आपको कंपल्सरी याद कर देना है, या फिर आप कहीं पे लिख दो ताकि वो आपको इजीली मिले और आप उसको इजीली याद कर सको. 1 मीटर इक्वल्स टू 100 सेंटीमीटर. 1 किलोमीटर इक्वल्स टू 1000 मीटर. Then weight, 1 kilogram equals to 1000 gram. That's it. Okay, so I'm going to end my video now, and hopefully you all revise all the things that you are learning in the previous classes. And whenever we meet for the next class, first of all I will be asked this conversion, then I will be go ahead for the next topic. Okay, thank you so much. Have a good day, everyone.